This video is for anyone that wants to make money, extra money on the side. This video is for anyone that wants to help their family, help themselves, live without thinking of money coming somewhere, but money's coming somewhere. Help yourself and then help your family. Help yourself, then help your friends. This is my video of me sharing my way of helping. Hi guys, Naomi here. If you are watching this video, know that I hold you in high regards, and I wanted to share this with you because you will benefit, because I am also benefiting from it. It's about trading. Right now I am trading on a website called Qubittech.dev, and that's how I'm basically trading. I want to share that with little to no knowledge of trading, I got duped, my money got stolen, and this man is actually still on my phone trying to get money from me. You know what? I have lost so much of this, so I am doing it myself. I'm doing it by myself. In trading, usually traders, you can trade right on the spot every day, or you have someone trade for you. Please don't have someone trade for you. They're going to steal your money like they do for me. Yeah, don't. But this one, I didn't even have to do anything. All I have to do is buy my license, put it on the website, and my account basically trades for me. So every day I'm receiving a profit. $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $15. I have gotten that. I'm still getting that because I have increased my account, borrowing my first license money from my mom, and that's how I built into right now. And I have like a 2,000 license, and it's like 1,000 each. So I want to show you guys just the website and what you need to actually open and start making money while you sleep. Seriously, I'm sitting here wondering, where is my next paycheck coming, or when is my unemployment check coming? Yeah, it's not a good feeling. And last year, Christmas, I had nothing. Like, I had no money. I had moved, so my money was depleted. So there was no money in my account. So I had to at least help my family back home. And with the little money that I had made from Qubittech, I took that money and I paid. I gave my family back home, and it helped them so much. I don't know if this is for you, and I don't know if it's for someone else, and you have the knowledge to help yourself or help someone, share the information. As I'm doing right now, few things, which is you need your phone or a computer, your bank account that can transfer money or pay someone, yes, and you need Cashapp, because Cashapp can buy stock and Bitcoin. From my bank account to Cashapp, buying my Bitcoin from Cashapp, taking my Bitcoin and paying the license on Qubittech.dev, and when I pay that, my license is there. And the same process, I reverse it, and that's it. It takes maximum 5 days for your money to go leave from Qubittech to Cashapp, Cashapp to your bank account. If you want to deactivate your account, that money has to make you your money first before you can deactivate it. It doesn't allow you to get out. So basically, it's promising you that you will make your $100, you will make your $500, you will make your $1,000 on it, then plus, because it's profits. We are trading. Trading is about profits and loss. I have increased my account into 1,000 each. I now have a free robot. The free robot helps me gain more trades. So when I get more trades, I get more profits, and get more better trades and get more profits. So basically, that's the whole thing to it. And this is too long, but I wanted to actually give you guys the whole thing, because I feel like if I talk to you on the phone, it wouldn't sound right. So I wanted to show you how I do it. I'll give you guys the information down so you read it and then you watch this video and learn from it. This video is for anyone that wants to make money, extra money on the side. This video is for anyone that wants to help their family, help themselves, live without thinking of money coming somewhere, but money's coming somewhere. Help yourself and then help your family. Help yourself, then help your friends. This is my video of me sharing my way of helping people and also helping myself, because I will share my link to you, and that link is my affiliate link for you to sign up. Like my mom gave me a link for me to sign up and I did, and now I'm making my money. And then with that link, I can make extra money by giving you guys that affiliated link, and then the company will pay me. It's the same thing that you would do on your own account. You will share your link to your friends and then the company pays you. So I'm not touching anything from you. I'm just sharing you this information, and I want you to share it with your friends so that we can all make money, people. While we sleep. That's the dream. I want to end it like I end all my videos, is go with God, go with love.